Okay, so couple on watch again. INDO still up there. I can't trade INDO. It's way too extended at this point. I didn't even know it went all the way to 40 or 50. That's what's insane. So that's pretty wild. But I think up here it needs to pull back significantly. So I'm not expecting a massive move. But if it makes it, I don't even blame it because it's already so high. This thing can go just like DWAC. But this one's a lot slower than something like DWAC or GME. It's not one of those YOLO stocks. I think this one's trending on news, but I haven't looked it up yet, so I don't know for sure. HUSA is one that was on watch, but it's below VWAP, so I don't really care for right now. USEG was another one on watch. But this one, again, is below VWAP. I don't really care. IMPP. It was above VWAP for a second, I guess. Now it's back below. B cell, same thing, just below VWAP. So MARPS is the last one, and this one, in my opinion, looks the best. This one, it looks okay. Well, it looked okay. Right now, I don't know. I'd be going for a 5-minute setup on this one, I think. Nothing else is hitting the scans with those, so I guess I'll have to wait it out. So MARPS is curling back up. I'm on the side here looking at long large cap stocks. I mean, is what am I talking about? Looking at large cap stocks here on the side. So I'm looking to take an options trade actually. Just gotta wait it out a little bit with it. But MARPS is kind of curling up here. I don't know about USEG. USEG keeps hitting the scans, but still pretty far below VWAP for me. Blue. It's too light on volume. HUSA. So HUSA is popping up here, which I do like. Still below VWAP. For me, it would have to break above VWAP, especially on the 10-minute or the 5-minute. Once it breaks over 375, 380, and it holds above that level, then I'd really like it. But right now, it's still below. IMPP though, this one just got halted straight into a halt there. That sucked because I was just watching this one, and HUSA kept hitting the scans, man, that's annoying. Now HUSA is spamming the scans. So IMPP got halted. That's halted for sure. MARPS, check this one out. Oh no, I was watching MARPS, my bad. My bad, I was watching MARPS. So, I don't know. The 5-minute doesn't look the best on this one, just because it opened pretty low. I don't have a lot of confidence in it. Spreads are kind of big as well, 20 cents. GBR hitting the scans. MARPS. Jesus. So MARPS is getting halted as well, is what it looks like. HUSA making a move back towards VWAP. Oh my god, HUSA is just spamming my scans right now. I don't have as much confidence in this one as MARPS or IMPP. It seems to be a lot more thickly traded, or it has a lot more of a struggle coming towards view up here. I don't know if it's my scans or that thing's just, or my platform, or that it just froze right there, but I don't know. I don't have, like I said, I don't have as much confidence coming into this one. It's just moving too slowly here. It's at VWAP, which I like, but I would like to see it maybe hit 395 and then pull back. If it can hit like 395, hold this level, pull back above VWAP and hold, then that look pretty good. But right now, the way it's working, I don't know. I don't have a whole lot of confidence. There's a rejection now. Let's see if it pops back up here. If they can pop back up in the next couple candles and hold that 370 level, then it would look okay on the 5-minute actually. It wouldn't look too bad. I'm liking it here though. Did have a pullback. I wouldn't want to see it break this last 1-minute high, but it looks like that's what it's gonna do. I don't know. So there's the break. I'm not expecting it to hold now. I don't know why it keeps freezing like that. Can't tell if it's my platform or what. So I'm gonna take a long here at 379. My stop would have to be 360. I'm primarily going for the 5-minute. I want the 5-minute break over 4. I think it can. I think it has the potential as long as this level holds here. But I don't want to reject. There's 66 now. It's finishing kind of low. 60, I'm gone. I'm selling it. I'm just gonna sell it there. Sold it at 62. Not gonna bother. It's gonna have a low 1-minute resumption is what it's looking like. Okay, I saw 62 on the bid. I sold at 62 and it sells me at 59. I guess. So IMPP is gonna resume here. Let's go watch this one. This one should resume in about 40 seconds. Let's see, our first level of resistance is about 520. Okay, so there's a resumption on IMPP. See if we get a pullback on this. Don't know where the next halt level's at. It filled that gap with the market order there. Depending on how big this dip is, I wouldn't mind buying it. I'm gonna buy it here. Oh, wow, that's such a terrible fill. I wanted to buy it at 512 there. I'm in at 522 now. I saw 512 and I was like, okay, cool. And then I pressed it way too late, I guess. Now I'm stuck here at 522. Let's see what we can do with this. I'm looking for that next 1-minute high, break of 550. Overall, I'd be going for the 10-minute high break. 10-minute high here is 546, but now it's finishing pretty low. Uh, let's see if it breaks his last 1 minute low. I'm definitely out. I like how it's holding so far. 525. See what it wants to do. See if we see 550 here. Not quite. It's not moving up. And broke the 1 minute low, so I'm out. Out of that trade as well. Might be a 2 candle pullback. It's holding 510. So that was trash. Let's go to MARPS while this one does its thing. MARPS should be resuming here pretty soon. I'd say in about... Oh, well, actually, it was supposed to resume already. Yeah, so this one's going to be like a 10-minute halt, I guess. BRN moving in the scans. HUSA, go back to this one. So, Jesus, I don't know. IMPP, halted going down now. 9. MARPS. This one should resume in about 3 more minutes, I'd say. USCG. There's nothing that I like. Everything's just failing. It sucks. I don't know what to do now. I tried. I think if I didn't get such a bad fill on IMPP, I think I could have just sold for some profit. But wow, that actually sucks. Like I said, I saw 512 in the bid or 512 in the ask, whatever, and I pressed it, but obviously such a terrible fill at 522. HUSA is just tanking here. Ugh. Wow, I miss my entry into half there. I was watching it around 200 at 198. I mean 199 and like 80, and I was about to take an entry, but then I had seen that HUSA kept hitting the scans, and I just got distracted, and I totally missed my entry there. Wow. What a flop that was. Jesus. Okay, I completely forgot to open up my Twitch chat, and I just opened it. Let's see. What do we got? MXC just got halted as well recently. Halted going down. BRN doesn't look too bad. I like the 5 minute if it can hold up, but obviously it's finishing kind of low here. So I don't know. BTB or BTNB in the scans. Not sure why. IMPP should be resuming here. I mean MARPS should be resuming here in about 30 seconds. Let's see what this one's gonna do. I don't have a whole lot of confidence in it just because, you know, what IMPP did, but we'll see. I'll wait for another pullback, see if we get anything on it. Yeah, the news isn't super hot on this one. Low resumption, already bearish. Straight into a hole going down. Oh my god, this was even worse than IMPP. This one sucks. What the hell? Immediately into a hole going down. So, wow, what a flop. This one should be opening here pretty soon as well. Oh wait, like right here, I don't understand why it's showing that this orders that went through. So it's at 42, so in about another minute it should open. Even then, this one doesn't look good. I don't know why I'm wasting my time on it. HUSA, maybe a 1 minute curl on the MACD, but the 5 minute looks like it wants to cross, so not really there either. So IMPP resumed here, but I think it was an early resumption. It might have been, I don't know. It's popping up towards VWAP, but after such a nasty drop like that, I don't know. I don't really care for it, if I'm being honest. For me to really like it, it'd have to pop up back to where it was, 525 or something, 510. Break above 5 for sure and hold. That's where I'd be interested, but here below VWAP, I just don't really care about it. Even if the 5 minute did recover here, I don't know. SQSP is popping up here. 10 minute high already broke, same with the 5 minute. I don't mind this one. I definitely wouldn't be trading this like my actual account. Primarily because the spreads are like 30-40 cents there, so most likely won't trade that. HUSA kind of recovering here, trying to at least. So the next 5 minutes gonna open here on HUSA, and I do like it on the 1 minute MACD at least. See if I can get it on a micro pullback. Just broke its 1 minute high there. I don't want it to break. Well, I think the move's already happening without me here. So I'm gonna buy here at 40, and I'm gonna look for the 5 minute high to break. 5 minute high on this candle is 47. So really I should be going for the break of 50. Bought at 40, my target should be at least 15 cents. 55 is where I should be trying to sell, which would really be 57. just because of my 2 cent off. Oh, actually, I got rid of it. So no, it should just be 55. There's 48 for a second. Having a hard time here. So looking for that break. You already broke the 5-minute high. I didn't see that. Actually, no, I did. I'm lying. But right here, it's just having a hard time even breaking through 50. You can't even break 47. Huge sell at 47. Now my platform's froze, I guess. I don't know what the hell's going on here, but well, there's the break. I guess I'll sell it there because, well, my whole platform just froze up on me. I don't know what that was about. I sold it a little too early too, 48 for some reason. I saw 51, but I sold at 48, I guess. So I don't know. Super choppy. Target was 55. Almost got it, but I didn't think it was gonna pop back up after that. At least I would have known I would have made my target. Not a bad play there. Definitely need to take bigger sides because this one's not a huge mover. But it's curling towards VWAP. It doesn't look too bad. 5 or at least 10-minute doesn't look too bad either, but we still have another 8 minutes for the next 10-minute opens. Oh my god. I hate that this thing, you try to draw the trend line like right in front of the first candle and it won't let you, just cancel the whole thing. I get so annoying. So here I just broke trend. Unless I have to readjust. I might have to readjust here. Okay, so now we're gonna let it pull back if it needs to. If it just breaks this level and holds, then cool. But right now it looks like it's wanting to pull back. As long as it holds its range and doesn't break the trend here, then we should be good. Let's see if this gets another pullback. If it does break its last 1 minute low, or if it can hold within this range, I'll take another trade. Broke its high here. So broke the high there by 1 cent. I like it here, so I'm gonna buy in. Well, that sucks. I pressed my buy order down here. I pressed my buy order like 52, but I wasn't clicked in, so I clicked it and it bought it at 59. So I'm in at 59, I guess. Oh man, all these entries. I swear my entries are getting worse and worse, and I might have to stop out here because it's not moving, so I'm breaking any level. It's not looking the best, so I swear I have some of the worst entries, especially these days. So it hasn't broken lower yet. It's 57, back to 57. Glad to see it's, oh well, I was about to say glad to see it's holding some level, and now it's back to 51. I'd like to see this one finish a little high, but looks like it's about to break 50 here. Pop back up to 57 at least. Look good. So no, I probably got in way too early. And by accident again. It's definitely sideways here. Having a hard time choosing a direction. Clearly it's not up right now. So there's 51. As soon as I see 50, I'm probably out. Yeah, having this, well, I wasn't clicked in again for whatever reason, so couldn't stop out there. But now it's actually holding 52, 53, it's back up. So maybe I should just hold it a little bit. God, it's such a bad fill. I can't believe I actually got filled up here. I saw 52, 51, 52. I think it was 52, but yeah. So down here, I'm definitely gonna stop out down here. 44, didn't even see 44 there. Saw 48, saw 46. I did not see 44. Oh, you know what? I think that's what's going on. Okay, I have a 2-cent offset on my bail key as well, so I'm assuming that's why it's telling me 2 cents below. But I thought I was trying to. I thought that sell key was adjusted to 2 cents above. Because I actually have a bail key which should be 2 cents below, and then I have a bail key, not really a bail key necessarily, but a sell key, I guess. Either break even or 2 cents above. And look at that, what a massive reversal on me. That's insane. Man, that sucks to see. So, bought the top, sold the bottom. Exactly what you don't want to do. IMPP got halted, I didn't even know. Wow. Crazy move there. I don't know, I'm going to wait around for it though. So, HUSA has been super trash for me. I definitely like it up here above VWAP, as I mentioned in the beginning. As long as it can hold above VWAP, it looks pretty solid. I'll buy the dip here at 66, and I'll be looking for the break on the next 1 minute high over its last 1 minute high. But primarily, I'd be going for the 10 minute high here is 377. So minute 66, target is 77. Really, I'd like to see it at 80, 85. So as long as it breaks the seller at 70, I think we should be good, or clear to 80. There's a break of 70. There's 72 now. It's like a perfect next 1 minute resumption. And my shit's frozen again. Oh man, so there's 80. Selling there at 80. Well, gonna try at least. Let's see. I'll keep my order there at 80. See if I can get filled. See if we get another pop back up to 80. I'm in at 66. Now it's back down to 70. Below to 60 now. So 73, it's kind of popping back up. Definitely want to see it further. Hold a little higher. And my platform froze again. Again, it's only with HUSA that this has happened. That's why I can't tell if it's my platform or if it's just the weirdness of the stock in general. But this is finishing really low. It's already coming down to my entry level. Not a loss yet. It's a loss in commissions maybe, but definitely doesn't look like it's going to come back up to 80. We're already 10 seconds in the next 1 minute candle, and it still hasn't opened on my charts here. Not sure what's going on there. 20 seconds in the next 1 minute, still hasn't opened. I'm gonna have to swap scans. This is ridiculous. Okay, that's really weird. We're 30 seconds in this next 1 minute candle, and it's still showing the previous one. I can't really tell what's going on. Kind of want to just get rid of it because it's getting frustrating that I can't see what's going on here. I probably should because it's already down below 62. It's not popping up here. There's 71. Keeps popping up here like it's teasing the 70s level. And I might cancel my order if it's gonna start breaking to 80. I might just cancel it because then after a push like this, if it can hold something like this, we can definitely see a move above 4 potentially. If it can keep holding these levels the way it is, I do like it back above 4 or 390. Once you get a double top at 390, I think that's where I could sell. It'd be a better sell than 380, I think, because we do have the 390 level up here. It's really 388. So let's see this next 1 minute. If this next 1 minute just can't do it, I'm stopping. 75. 5 seconds in. 6 seconds in. Still no 1 minute open. I don't know why. Oh, wow. I'm on the 2 minute. That was pretty stupid. I didn't see that. I don't even know why I changed it to 2 minute. That's weird. So let's see if we can get this 1 minute. It's 380 again. Let's see if we get the break at 380, 76. Selling there. So hit that double top up here. I sold a little early on it. I sold at 86. So could have sold at 88, but I rather sell at 86 at least. So that was a nice trade. 20-cent move there. Took a while. Didn't stop out though. Held my position the entire time. Wanted it to reach this double top at 388 before I sold my position. So that's exactly what happened. Whether it's going to continue higher, it definitely can. We'll see it here if it does want to continue. 88, 89. 89 is the official double top. Let's see if it rejects this level or if it breaks through, it hits 90 and then 4. There's 90. So IMPP. This one just resumed again. It's pretty choppy. Let's see what this one's gonna do though. So HUSA, nice break of 395 there. Hasn't hit 40 yet. Okay, so no, this has to be my platform. This definitely has to be my platform. This thing's skipping around. So looking for a pullback on IMPP. HUSA just broke 4, hit 410 there. It's gonna get halted up here. Yeah, I definitely gotta wrap it up now because this is getting pretty ridiculous. Nice break on HUSA. This definitely was a better trade to take compared to IMPP. IMPP is still not halted up here though. HUSA, Jesus, this one's hitting 430 now. Big rip on this one. So wow, what a position I could have got in on. That would have been a really big position here. 58 is the halt level. Could get in for a halt on this one next 1 minute. Buy the dip there at 55 or 35, going for the halt level in the next 1 minute candle. Definitely want to see that 1 minute break. It's 36, having a hard time breaking 36, so definitely stopping out here at 32. Well, back in at 35. Let's see if we can get the break. Nope, not quite. It's selling again at. It's so hard to say because I just saw a huge sell at 30. So two stupid trades there. Well, I guess not necessarily because the seller did break, or the buyer did break. IMPP. Let's go back to this one. This one's pulling back a little bit. No target specifically on this one. 7 for sure. So today, price action is extremely choppy. Not the best day to take any trades, really. I had a couple good ones. I would just honestly say 2. And that was about it. But so get in here, 636. The break of this last one here. See if it gets into a halt here at 62. Selling there at 59. Well, Jesus. So again, sold too quick there. Now it's in a halt, so crazy. Sold at 59 just because it wasn't holding its level. It was holding its level. What am I talking about? Oh my god. So sloppy today. Jeez, what's going on? It was holding 59, but it wasn't breaking 59 immediately how I wanted it to, so I just sold at 59. But not a bad trade there as well. 36 to 59. That was a pretty good size move there. False halt, pretty bullish, I'd say. Could buy the dip here, go for 75, but 75 is a halt level. It's about 10 cents away. I wouldn't want to risk that just for 10 cents. If we can get a bigger pullback to about 40 or 50, then potentially, but right here it's kind of risky to buy this high. HUSA ripping though. Missed this one as well. What a climb. So now it's making really nice moves here. And it sucks because I'm supposed to be gone already. It's already 10:10 basically. And I'm supposed to be gone. I'm not even supposed to be here. That kind of sucks. All these moves happen so late in the day. A lot of trades today. A lot of sloppy trades for sure. 2 unnecessary trades. That was $20 in commissions on HUSA, just blown out for no reason. They were both losses too, by like 3 cents, I think. So that it's just so choppy. My platform's just lagging today. I don't know what's going on with this thing. So HUSA ripping again. See if we get the break of 5. That'd be impressive. So I definitely want to see this thing pull back because it's super extended at this point. It needs to pull back some, and then we can get in for another. If it can hold 50, that'd be great. If it can pull back to 50, hold that level, and then pop back up to 75, then that would look super good for another move. Jesus. Another move back towards the break of 5. I have faith in the 10 minute. That's what I'm most confident about, is that 10 minute. So let's see here. We had a low of 63 there, I think. Back to 75. It's looking pretty good. So I'm getting in here. I've gotten way too late, if I'm being honest. Bought the top, literally the top. I'm getting in so late. I was debating the whole time at 77. And wow, what a rejection on me. So that was completely on me right there. That was such a bad trade for me. Double top there. That was not a good trade. And I'm definitely gonna admit that was a terrible trade. So I'm just gonna wrap it up. charts are so choppy, it froze on me up there. I couldn't see what was going on. And then an immediate flush all the way to 460. So either way, terrible. That was an actual bad entry. It wasn't like some of these other ones where it was just, you know, bad order fill or whatever. This was actually just a terrible entry, and I know that. So don't grill me for it in the comments. I know it was a bad position there. So IMPP halted again. Crazy. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. That's it today. Down 154. What a crazy day. Hit my stop loss for the day either way. Jesus. Down 60 to down 100, and then down 80, down 140, back to 80 or something, and then back to 154. So really sloppy day today. Really choppy market. But that's what we're in right now, I guess. So missed a bunch of these big moves on HUSA because I was focused on IMPP. MARPS is also moving here, hitting the scans, making a big move. Looks like it's going to get halted as well. So big move on MARPS. Should have been watching this one too, but clearly wasn't. And again, like I said, all these moves are happening pretty late in the day when I'm already gone, so it kind of sucks. Maybe I have to stay around a little longer, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I have to figure it out. So anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow.